What if I told you the most powerful way to rebuild your body after 50 is by staying still? 5 holds, 10 minutes, 3 times a week. That's all it takes to build real-world strength and make your body feel decades younger. Do these 5 isometric holds and rebuild your strength with almost zero stress on your joints. Number 1, the Superman hold. While many people rely on stretching to relieve a stiff back, the real answer is activating the muscles that support your posture. The Superman hold strengthens these often neglected muscles. This exercise works like a reset for your posture, drawing your shoulders back and opening up your chest. Here's how to do it. Lie face down on your stomach with your arms and legs fully extended. Lift your chest, arms, and thighs just a few inches off the ground. Squeeze your shoulder blades tightly at the top. Keep your eyes focused on the floor to protect your neck. Aim for 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. This is how you restore strong posture. Number 2, the Sumo Stance. This is your tool for rock-solid stability. It rebuilds your foundation from the ground up, teaching your lower body to stay balanced and controlled. By taking a wider stance, you reduce pressure on your lower back while shifting the load into your hips and legs. Your balance improves, your legs feel more stable, and everyday movement becomes easier again. Here's how to do it. Take a wide stance. Place your feet wider than shoulder width. Turn your toes slightly outward. Lower your hips into a shallow squat. Keep your chest open and your spine tall. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. You'll feel your hips and legs working together. This is how you build lasting stability. Number 3, the plank. Many people think the plank is only for visible abs, but its true purpose is protecting your spine. It teaches your core to stabilize your body, helping your back stay supported during everyday movement. A stronger core reduces daily stress on your lower back and helps ease the persistent aches many people accept as a normal part of aging. Here's how to do it. Get up on your forearms and toes. Keep your body in one straight line from your head to your heels. Brace your core. Don't hold your breath. Keep your breathing slow and controlled. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you keep your back strong and pain-free for life. Number 4, the bear crawl hold. The bear crawl hold is all about total body control. It forces your upper body, core, and legs to work together as one unit, building steady real-world strength. By hovering just an inch above the ground, every part of your body has to stay engaged. This helps strengthen the weak areas that lead to instability and everyday discomfort. Here's how to do it. Start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Keep your hands directly beneath your shoulders. Press firmly through your toes and hover your knees just an inch off the floor. Keep your back completely flat and level. Aim for 3 sets of 15 to 30 seconds. This is where your body starts feeling solid again. Number 5, the wall sit. This is one of the best exercises for lifelong knee health. Joint pain rarely comes from age alone. It usually comes from weak muscles around the knee that stop doing their job. The wall sit builds controlled tension in your thighs, strengthening the muscles that keep your knees stable without the joint stress of traditional leg workouts. Here's how to do it. Press your back flat against a wall. Slide down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Keep your weight in your heels. Your knees should stay aligned with your toes. Maintain deep, relaxed breathing. Aim for 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. This is how you build resilient knees that help you stay independent for life. Now, here's your complete routine. Superman hold, 3 sets of 20 to 30 seconds. Sumo Stance, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Plank, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. Bear crawl hold, 3 sets of 15 to 30 seconds. Wall sit, 3 sets of 30 to 60 seconds. 3 times a week. That's it. The wall sit is one of the best exercises for your knees. If you want to keep them strong for life, click the video on your screen right now. Start today, and I'll see you in the next video.